What's up guys, welcome to another video. We're back in automation today, looking at Bright Motors from Tori Luminosity. I don't know how to tell it. Today, I mean if you didn't watch the last video, or if you couldn't hear anything, the audio was really bad, we made this little thing, and a couple other ones. We had a pickup truck and a little, I think it's a sedan. Not sure. But it's not doing very well. So my plan for this video is to make a better car for the 1950s. So I moved forward the time a little bit since the last video. But it's now 1949. So for 1950 model year, we will make a new car. This is very light livery. We'll keep it, what was it, Montaga? Montaga. It's Italian for mountain, by the way. 200. LX. Manual. So go big or go home. Where is it? What's going on? I haven't unlocked it yet. What? Yes. Frustrating. Oh wait. Which one are we doing? Are we doing steel? Okay, ladder frame, obviously steel. Suspension. Boot space. Which one is better? The body. The van. And the back. Okay, so we have an issue here. I have no idea why these would not be reliable. None. Say we're gonna lose huge amounts of. I'm not sure why. These are all incredibly cheap and incredibly probably good vehicles. So let's say screw this. And we'll sign it off. Then hopefully see this. Alright. And that'll be it for this video. Next video we can figure out exactly how well the new car will do, and then we can work on it, see if it needs any more work or whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.